Estonia.
We're driving onto the boat.
Literally driving onto a boat.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're here on a special adventure going to Estonia by ferry, and we're bringing our car with us. First time we've done that, so we're going to drive all over Estonia and go check out also some cool places we've never been to before. And I'm up on the top deck right now, and it's really windy, so I hope you can hear me, but we got to check out this view real quick. Look at this. It's really cold. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm gonna get back inside because I'm just in a hoodie right now. We'll see you there. So we stopped real quick for lunch at Legends Diner. It's like an American style diner. It's pretty cool. I like the decor in here, and we're sitting in a car. Hey guys, we made it to our final destination. We're in Parnu, Estonia. We got here, it's a 2-hour boat ride over from Helsinki and then about a 2-hour drive south. And we made it, we finally made it here. We made it just in time for sunset. Look at this. Can't stop exploring. I mean, we've just walked a few feet and we found this really cool shot of this bridge. So yeah, this is Parnu. I'll show you on a map where we're at. It's kind of the southwest side of Estonia. We've never really been past Tallinn before, so we were like, let's take a little road trip in Estonia. So we put our car onto the ferry and here we are. So glad we did it. So cool so far. Hope the weather holds out for the rest of the weekend though. Hey guys, we made it to our room. We love this place. It's really cool. It's a neat little room. And waiting for us here was some fresh fruit and some sparkling wine. That's so cool. So, I don't know. We're pretty impressed with this place so far. And it's only like 5 o'clock. It seems late, but it's really not that late. So we're going to go exploring. So we'll catch you whatever else we do next. We'll see you. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 here in Parnu. We just got up and decided to come downtown and do a little more exploring. It's a little bit overcast today, but the colors here are beautiful. Look at the buildings behind us.
Perfect for pictures.
Yes, we're gonna take lots of pictures and videos for you. So let's go take a look. Seeing a theme here. We're basically seeing all these churches. We're going from church to church. She loves the one. Look at the churches. That's what we're doing. Here's another one we just found. Trying to see if we can go inside it. I don't know. We kind of just gambled on the last one because we saw somebody coming out. Let's see if we can go in this one. Yeah. Jaywalker. Across the street to this church, and I had to put my hat on. It's getting a little chilly. We're not gonna try to go inside it. We haven't seen anybody else come out or go in, so we're just gonna take a lot of cool pictures of this church and then move on to the next one. All right, this is the other side of the park we were on earlier, and man, I have to point this out. Look at all the cool trees they have. I wonder what this would look like in the fall. I bet it would look really awesome, but they're kind of spooky now. Now we're heading over here to check this white building out. Just looks interesting, so we're gonna go check it out. She's getting that perfect shot. Alright, so we made it to the building here. I have no idea what it is still. There's a marker, like a plaque here, but it's not in English, so I don't know. We'll just admire it.
So we just found out this is August Jacobson Monumenti Kirjala, and we think it's a school. Pretty cool.
We were just walking around and we saw this really cool, restaurant. It's called Stefani's, and we looked it up. It's got really good reviews, so I think we're gonna come here for dinner. She can't stop taking pictures of it.
They have a kitty cat pumpkin.
Guys, so we decided to look at some of these shops and check out some of the cool stuff you can buy here. There's a lot of cool Estonian made stuff for like really cheap compared to Finland.
Handmade crafts, yeah. It's cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. So we bought a little bit of stuff. Got some Christmas presents.
Can't show you.
Trying to think ahead. Yeah, we can't show you what we bought. But now we're starting to get a little hungry, so I think we're gonna look for a cool place to stop and eat. Just look at this advertisement. Wax and Beauty. If your legs look like that, you might want to stop here. That's true. Found a plaque over here. It talks about this is called the Sigi Maha, or the Almshouse. It's the oldest plot in Parnu, right?
Yeah.
Dates back to
Like $12.50 to $13.50.
$12.50 to $13.50. Dang. They haven't trimmed their vines since. Stop for some coffee and a little treat. Alright, we stopped for some coffee and had some good cheesecake and rhubarb pie, I guess. And man, now we're energized and we're gonna go look at some more stuff.
We found another church.
It's one we found last night that we kind of forgot about. We want to make sure we come back to check it out. Alright guys, that's going to do it for right now, exploring in downtown Parnu. We're a little cold, so we're going to head back to the hotel and check out the spa services they have. And I think we got some kind of Dead Sea, floating Dead Sea package that came with our hotel room. So we're going to check that out at a minimum, maybe get a massage too. So anyways, we'll let you know if we do anything else tonight. I know we're going to come down here to that pizza place for dinner for sure. So looking forward to that. Alright guys, we'll see ya. Oh, what a nasty day out. Luckily it's our last day, so it's not too big a deal, but I think with our last few hours here in Estonia, or in Parnu rather, we're gonna go to the mall here and just kind of walk around, do a little shopping, check out the cheaper prices than in Helsinki. So
Yeah, we'll have fun.
We'll take advantage of it while we can, and then we'll hit the road and go back to Tallinn.
Yeah.
We'll see ya. Trying to find Peanut a bed. They got a pretty good deal on these things. They're all on sale. I don't know if she would use it or not.
So comfy. Look how soft that is.
What to do?
Alright, I think we have a winner.
Look at
Luxury
that.
bedding.
I think that's gonna do it. Peanut, that's your new home. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, well we're waiting in line to get on the boat to head back to Helsinki. It was a fun trip, man. We had a lot of fun in Parnu. Can't wait to come back and do it again. I think we'll do it again.
Yeah,
I think
definitely.
so. Yeah, it's not a bad, a bad trip. 2 hours on the boat and then like an hour and a half drive afterwards. But,
Yeah, it's worth it.
yeah. Anyways, we'll catch you on the next adventure, guys. Bye.
Bye.
koskaan heitä sammuttamatonta savuketta laidan yli. Käytä vain erityisiä tuhkakuppeja, jotka sijaitsevat tupakointipaikalla. Jos haluat lisätietoja laivan